I reckon you cat gone. People you pay about 5 grand for keep a cat for them, you know. I'm gonna go burn off for 5 grand. I know, but can't find the cat. Yo, I want like a brown pussy cat, man. I want like a brown pussy cat. Blows and skirt. Seen there? I want to say a tall cat. I'm here, pussycat, here, pussycat. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I think me have to need help for that one, I know. Help! 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 Somebody help me! Yo, me borrow money and pay them. Anybody come help me, I pay them. Me hear money. Me hear money. Yo, Spider! Money, I didn't even know me how much money I have. Brother, I need your help right now. Me I pay $1,000. $1,000 can't pay light bill. 2 grand. 2 grand can't pay Wi-Fi. What about 10 grand? 10 grand not so bad. 10 grand can kind of pay a school fee. Little bit. Brother, that's too much, dad. That's too much. Can't manage that. 2.5. I'm sorry for you, because I know a thief, I be a thief, people think, you know. I'm not just saying, you know. But I want the money. 4 grand. Thief, man, I forgot thief that later, you know. Nah, make it, nah, see already. Alright, 4 grand. 4 grand. Nah, come out of my pocket then. Yo, it can't gone up in a tree, brother. I can't climb, bro. I can't climb, so I know say you can't climb. You have a sticky finger, all of them things there, see? Climb that tree. Just use the web now, brother. Just use the web. Just web up the top. When you don't use a long ball, say man climbing, eh? So. Alright, my son. Alright. Alright, do your thing. Brother, be a breadfruit, you have down where you coward, sir. Hello, no. I be a lobster and shrimp meat, sir. Please shut your mouth. Alright. Do your thing. Now work out, you know. Try it. You better have any climbing myself, you know, darling. So what make you not come do it yourself? Come do it yourself, man. You know how to know, man. Sure. Alright. Jesus Christ. How am I going to do? Hey, backside. The cat just jump out. But wait, see there? Make the cat come down and I want my money. No, me not pay. I want my money, sir. Me not pay. Where's my money? I work for my money. I'm back at here.